Now we are going to look at an interesting concept called the power set. The power set. So when we talk about the power set, what we are going to basically learn is that if we are given the set S as the power set, what it means that S is what representing the power set. So capital S is this. So given that X is the power set, then we are saying that to find the subset of X, what do we do? So the power set of S is usually denoted by, so the power set of S is usually denoted by what? 2 raised the power S, or we write P of what? S. Don't forget the S is what? The power set. So if we have S, which is what? A finite set. So for S being a finite set, then what it means is that we know both the upper limit and the lower, we know both the upper limit here and the lower limit of the set. So let's say we have the number of elements in set S to be what? To be K. Then to find the power set, or to find the element containing the power set, then don't forget we said it is represented by what? P of what? S. Then we are looking at the absolute value of that, or the magnitude, which will give us 2 raise the power. Instead of S, we know the number of S is what? K, which is what? The number of elements. So now we have what? 2 raise the power what? K elements in the set S. Now we should also note that the power sets are larger than the set associated with them. The power set is what? Larger than the set that is what? Associated with them. So let's look at this. So for example, let's say the set S is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Now, to find the power set of this set S, then we are saying that to find the power of this set S is what? 2 raise the power K, where K is what? The number of elements, right? So how many elements do we have in the set S? We have 1, 2, and 3. So K is what? Equal to 3. So it means that P of S will give us 2 raised the power 3, which is 2 raised the power 3 will give us what? 8. So it means we are going to get 8 sets from the power set S. So we must get 8 different sets from what? The set S. So to find the power set of S, then we are now going to, so I'm going back to the set S, which is 1, 2, and what? 3. Okay. So to find the power set of this, then what it means is we are what? We must have 8 distinct what? Sets. So how do we do that? So now the power set of S will now give us first the null set, which is this. Then we move on to the elements in the set. So the first element is what? 1. So we have 1 forming another set. Okay. Then what's the next element? We have what? 2. What's the next element? We have what? 3. So 3 also form another set. Now let's move on. So we have 3 elements in the set S. So now we have first dealt with the null set. We are now what? Taking into consideration the elements, each element one after the other. So the first one is 1, which is this. Second one 2, third one 3. Now the next thing to do is we are going to pair them in twos. So we have all the elements 1 and 2. So 1, 2 will also form another set. The next set is 1 and 3. So 1, 3 will also form another set. Now we are left with what? The elements 2 and 3. So 2, 3. So this forms the power set of the set S. So now let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So from here we must also include the set S, which will give us 1, 2, and 3. So this will form the power set. So now let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So can you see that now we have been able to form 8 different sets out of the set S. So this represents the power set.